Hi everyone, this is one of a page of my painting thumbnails to get inspired, and I thought this is good practice with color contrast, which is purple and yellow is a complementary color. Working in off center, light reflects on the ground a little bit. Small exercise, 5.5 by 7.5. First, I wet the paper. You can use clear water, warm yellow, dilute it. Yeah, this brush has some kind of purple color, and making that color desaturated, but you can use clean brush. I'm putting the light in the middle. I can add a little more brighter, warmer tone. Just around the sun a little bit. I want to have that reflection, warm color on the ground. I like to work on that tree. It's beautiful purple, so add purple to the orange, add purple and blue to saturated. I'm gonna add a little bit of brown, orangey tone. Desaturate this color with water. I'm gonna add a little bit of magenta to warm it up at that close to the sun. Bluer tone towards the edges. Can I even put more blue? Make that brush dry, and then have dry brush on that pathway. This way, and a little bit darker purple at the edge of the format. Warm color, warm purple or color, little details just like that, kind of disappearing into that sun. A little bit of dark orange, like a brown, cool color. Splatter on that foreground. Let's see. For the detail, oops. A little dark. Let's see. There you go. Texture on the foreground. I'm gonna draw some tree, Payne's gray, burnt umber, wipe it. I want to make that color dry. And starting off with that corner of the format, large tree, thicker tree. And then next one is a little skinnier. Next one, even skinnier. And the next one gets skinnier. The other side, the thickest one, is at the bottom corner. And then next one is a little skinny. Next one, skinnier, gets skinnier, skinnier. Blur the bottom of that tree to ground the tree. Just use dry brush, and then spread that shadow on the ground. I want to add pinkish purple branches. That's it, bleached by the light. Pinkish purple, desaturated. Dry the color, and then continue where it's towards the light. I can use liner brush. Liner brush keeps that line skinny. I want to add some darker branches on top of the lighter branch, so it gives that changes from dark to light more gradually. I'm gonna add a little dark with bluish shadow color. Without destroying the space. I like that dry brush texture, a little darker this area, kind of blend the tree to the background. Adjustment. Have this tree grounded. And shadows. A little more branches. This one too. The effect that I got from the wet on wet on the background is very beautiful. Having it off-centered gives a little more challenging imagination to create how the shadow works. Interesting part is using complementary color, which is yellow, purple, orange, blue. I think that contrast on top of value contrast create the scene very dramatic. Try the simple exercise. Thank you for watching. Have fun painting.